back to my YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'm going to share my experience along with you of my Wipro HR interview of 2021. So here we begin. Before starting the video, I would like to say that all the HR interview questions are mainly in 2 to 3 slides. So please do watch it carefully and listen each slide carefully. So yeah, the first question, the basic question which almost every HR asks in its interview is to tell me about yourself. In this question, we basically needs to tell about ourselves, like from which college we have studied, what course we have done, and what are our schooling background, these all things. The second question which the HR asked me to tell me about my co-curricular activities which I love, which I enjoy or I have done in my college or in my school life. The third question which he asked me was, he tried to trick me in it, and he asked me to tell me about my hobbies, like what I love to do in my pastime, in my free time. The fourth question was to tell me about my strength. I know you all would be confused that basically you would have been listened that mostly the HR used to us to tell about our strength and weaknesses, but here the HR specifically only asked me to tell me about my strength. And the fifth question is that have I ever participated in my school or college events? So if you have participated in your school or college events, you should definitely tell it about it. I have participated in my school and college events, so I just told about it to them that I have participated in such event, I have organized such and such event, and so on and so forth. And the other question which the HR asked me was, what is my biggest achievement? What is the biggest achievement that I have achieved? I have said that, I have mentioned him about my achievement. Then the second question which he counter attacked to me was which achievement was harder for me to achieve. I told him about my biggest achievements, and then he asked me which achievement was more harder for me to achieve. Then the third question which he asked me, it's something like new question for me. No HR has ever asked to me. So it was that what are your work ethics? So I just told, you need to tell your work ethics which needs to be followed in an MNC or in a corporate life. Like you should not say something vulgar or something that hurts other sentiments. You should always come in time, you should complete your work, so on and so forth. The other very basic question which he asked me was why we should hire you, and you should give them the reason that they should hire you. Of course you should give, or else they wouldn't be hiring you. The fifth question that they asked me, that are you willing to relocate and accept our legal terms and conditions? That are you ready to relocate and accept our legal terms and conditions? It's on you whether you want to accept the offer letter or no. Next question that HR asked me was regarding that how do I manage my time. He specifically told me that if I have been given some task in my project or during the project, so how would I manage my time? So what my answer was that I would be divide my time into small parts. I would see where I should be focusing more, which would help me rather not to waste my time more. And the other question then which he encountered me with was how would I handle the pressure, and basically the answer was same. I told him that I would be I would first of all analyzing the problem. I would analyze all the problems, then break it into small chunks, and would work on on the high priority one, which is the high priority, and I would try to complete it. And if I won't be able to complete it, then for sure I would be taking the help of my seniors, my friend, my colleagues, and so on. So that was my experience of the Wipro HR interview. I hope you like it, and I hope that it would benefit you all in the upcoming Wipro HR interviews. And I would highly recommend you to please subscribe to my channel and also share this video among your friends, so that they could get benefit from this, and their interview goes well, and who knows that they might get some, like whole benefit from it. So thank you all, and have a nice day.